Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build cloud computing skills with Google, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current knowledge of cloud computing. Identify the specific areas of cloud computing you want to focus on, such as architecture, data engineering, or machine learning. Visit the Google Cloud Training website to explore available courses. Take note of the various learning paths Google offers, including foundational, associate, and professional levels. Choose a beginner-friendly course if you're new to cloud computing. Enroll in the Google Cloud Fundamentals course to build a solid understanding of cloud concepts and services. Watch the course videos and take detailed notes to reinforce your learning. Complete the hands-on labs offered in the course for practical experience. After mastering the fundamentals, explore specialized courses related to your interests. Consider certifications, starting with Google Associate Cloud Engineer if you want to validate your skills. Review the exam guide for the certification you're aiming for and focus your study on the outlined topics. Engage in practice assessments to gauge your knowledge and fill in any gaps. Join online communities or forums to connect with fellow learners and professionals in cloud computing. Participate in Google Cloud's training events or webinars to stay updated on the latest trends and practices. Make use of Google Cloud's documentation and resources to deepen your understanding of specific tools and services. Work on personal or open source projects to apply your skills in real-world scenarios. Create a portfolio to showcase your projects and demonstrate your cloud computing capabilities. Regularly review and update your knowledge as cloud technology evolves rapidly. Set achievable goals for your learning journey and track your progress over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.